Hi everybody, it's Andy. I want to talk to you in this video about the use of the side stand. Let me first start by saying that I would never use my motorcycle, ride my motorcycle without proper riding gear. This is for demonstration purposes. The motorcycle is not running and we're in a very stable environment. The side stand is used to secure the motorcycle. All motorcycles have a side stand. It's found on the left side. It can be operated by pushing it with your foot into that forward position. I always recommend give it that extra kick to make sure that it's locked in, and then simply lean the bike over to the left where you'll be able to get off. Turn the handlebars in the same direction that the bike is leaning, and you're going to have a pretty stable environment. I also recommend using a side stand puck. You can get them all kinds of different places. You could use a crushed up pop can, a small piece of wood, or a piece of metal that electricians use on those octagon boxes. Really handy because there's all kinds of times where you're going to run into extremely hot pavement where the bike will sink, maybe a gravel road or an unstable environment, so this is going to create great security for your motorcycle. Most of these little things have a hole in them. You can actually tie a string around it, put the string up to your handlebar, and that simply acts as a reminder before you get on your bike, before you take off, to lift that side stand plate back up again. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please check back frequently. We'll post some more tips and tricks. Have yourself a great day.